Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about Terraform troubleshooting model. So there are four potential type of issues that you could experience with Terraform. The first one is the related to the language. Okay, this issue involves syntax configuration or improper use of Terraform HASIC or configuration language. So whenever you are writing and developing your infrastructure, okay, so you might missing something syntax and you are missing some configuration for the whatever resources you are creating, and you are using like improper whatever value should be not there, even you are using that value. So that this kind of issue related to the language. And another issue you can face like state issue. Okay, so suppose you in your team there are 50 engineers, they are working on Terraform, they are writing their script to create the infrastructure or modifying the infrastructure in the same time. So you could face the state lock issue, you could face a state lock error, so you should know how to deal with that error. Okay, and the another one, that is core error. So these errors are directly related to the main Terraform application. Error produced at this level may be bug. Okay, so this kind of issues related to the Terraform, that you can go ahead and report to the Terraform. Okay, and using the GitHub. So provider, the fourth type of issue you might face. Okay, that is provider issues. So this set of errors are primarily related to the provider plugin. Okay, and use the provider GitHub page for reporting and identifying the issues. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the Terraform documentation for this. Troubleshoot Terraform. Okay, so as you can see, prerequisite, reviewing the Terraform troubleshooting model. So as you can see here, HASIC or configuration language, primarily user interface, resource metadata, that is state file, and we can face what kind of issue here, state file locking. Okay, and here we can face SCL configuration related issue, and here we can face resources graph core issues, that is core application related to our Terraform. Like Terraform is not able to communicate with the whatever resource we want to create. Okay, authentication API call, resource mapping, so that can be related to the provider. Okay, that you can go ahead and you can also report this issue on the Terraform GitHub page. Okay, the same thing that we have already seen is here. So I will put the link, this link in the video description, so you can go ahead and you can check this out. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section. And thanks, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.